In this video, we will see how to create a sales order. Click on New Sales Order. Select the required organization unit from the drop-down list. Then select the sales channel. Choose the customer from the lookup option. Select the appropriate classification type from the drop-down and click on Continue. On the Sales Order Details screen, select the warehouse, currency, and other required details. Note that the fields highlighted in yellow are mandatory, while the remaining fields are optional. Click on Continue. Now select the items for the order from the lookup and enter the required quantity. Verify the unit price and choose the appropriate packing details. Select the desired delivery date and the customer description from the drop-down. Add comments if required. Select the usage type. Once details are filled up, then click on Add to Order. The item is now added to the order. Repeat the same process if additional products are needed. After adding all items, click on Finalize Order. Select the shipment method and click on Continue. On the Order Payment Terms screen, select the payment terms from the drop-down and click on Add. Add company terms and Incoterms if required, then click on Continue. Select the required order payment settings and click on Continue. On the Order Confirmation screen, all entered details are displayed. Verify the information carefully and click on Create Order. The sales order is created successfully. Thank you.